Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about Eaz-Lift's premium metal wheel stops. These one-piece wheel stops help prevent RV tandem tires from shifting or slipping. They're zinc-plated for corrosion resistance and have raised ribs on the contact surfaces for increased traction. And they come in two sizes. The standard size is made for 3 to 10 inch tire spacing, and the large size is made for 9 to 18 inch tire spacing. Each size includes one ratchet wrench and one padlock with keys to prevent theft. To install, hold the wheel stop between the tandem tires, use the ratchet wrench to turn the lead screw on top clockwise to expand the wheel stop, expand until the rib contact surfaces are securely against each tire. Finally, locate the hole that lines up with the bottom bracket and attach the padlock. So there you have it, Eaz-Lift's premium metal wheel stops. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.